on. G1000 powered acknowledge. Alright, G1000 reverse mode, MFD. See, it says engine, oh, fuel economy down running, checks and set, fuel temperature. Yeah, fuel temperature is good. MFD engine systems, throttles idle, strobe lights on, position not relevant. Engine start sequence clear. Engine master on.
Blade changed. Blade changed.
Yeah. Annunciator glow is off. Propeller area. Alright. Oil pressure left rising. That's good. Voltage, electrical load is good. And annunciators are good. Blade change. Glow annunciation is off. Oil pressure rising. Electrical looks good. Idle power 710, that's good.
Lights are on here.
I heard you taxi.
Turtle 821 is off at 25 left at Sierra, taxi back Turtle.
Turtle 821, Daytona ground, taxi Sierra, Yankee, Whiskey, November, hold short, runway 25 right.
Turtle 821, Sierra, Yankee, Whiskey, November, hold short, 25 right.
Alright, before takeoff checklist, parking brake, verify release, fuel selectors, both are on. Front canopy is closed and latched, door warning annunciator is off. Engine instrument are all in the green. Fuel temperatures are good. Circuit breakers are all in. Elevator trim set for takeoff. Rudder trim neutral. Flaps up. Flight controls are good. Throttles idle. Volter ECU test perform. Alright, so left ECU test. What? Oh. That's fine that the gearbox temperature is just I'm not sure. Alright, left ECU. Yeah, the ECU failed annunciator. There we go, second time.
Chase 804 Daytona Tower, fly runway heading, runway 25 right, November 10, clear for takeoff, traffic Skyhawk mile final.
25 right, November 10, clear for takeoff, JD 604. Right, landing it on, everything's good, final is almost clear.
25 November 6 is verifying you have a request.
Chase 127 Daytona Tower, roger, say request.
Ready for departure, Chase 127, deposit short to left.
Chase 127, roger. Embraer 386, go around, turn 10 degrees right.
Go ahead.
Going out at top 10 flight certificate 36.
JD 198 holding short 25 right, November 9 and ready for departure.
Chase 198 Daytona Tower, roger.
Set the line. Yep. Alright.
6 o'clock.
Engine's good. Airspeed alive.
Traffic, 7 o'clock.
No brakes, your feet on the ground. Yeah. 80, rotate.
Clear check 300, Daytona Tower, fly runway heading, runway 25 right, Papa 9, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading 25 right, Papa 9, clear for takeoff. Clear check 30.
9 positive right.
892, runway 25 right, clear to land. Bird 386, turn left, heading of 250.
250.
Runway remaining, gear up.
804, as soon as able, turn right heading 290.
290, GD-04. Okay.
Turtle 892, runway
Gear up, no lights.
right, clear to land.
290.
Runway 92, clear to land, runway 25 right.
500. Knots, 92.
Traffic, 4 o'clock.
You see him?
Yeah, he's right on top.
Alright.
Daytona Tower, Riddle 816, 1800, Beach 25 Road.
Bird 386, turn left, heading 210.
Okay, climb checklist. Fuel pumps. Off.
Epic Red 8386, turn left, heading 210. Riddle 816, runway 25 right, clear to land.
25 right, clear to land, Riddle 816.
Daytona Tower, roll 965, extended right, base, 25 right.
Riddle 965, Daytona Tower, runway 25 right, clear to land.
Runway 25 right, to land, 965.
GC04, contact departure 126.55.
12655, JD-604.
Bird 38.
Daytona departure, JD-804, wind Q passing 1,400.
JD-604, Daytona departure radar contact.
Right. Full power, idle, rudder, VYAC, we're good.
Altitude 2000.
Right. Landing gear up, flaps up.
386, Daytona departure radar contact, maintain VFR.
Landing gear up, flaps up.
3000.
Right leg, right engine, dead. So we're under 3,000. We're gonna shut down the engine. So right leg, right engine, right master. And then, go. Right master, 0 sights left, rotor auto, right alternator, right fuel pump off, right fuel selector off.
Departure radar contact.
Thank you.
Advise information uniform at flag, we're expecting runway 29er.
Nice and easy. Engine is cold. Let's go. 50%. What?
No practice area, Skyhawk 10624 is 3 to the southeast of Lake Crescent, 4,100. Elevator check call.
Keep flying northbound, alright? Flagger is full. We're going for full. Engine shut down. Alright, full power. Landing gear up, flaps up. Right leg dead, right engine dead. 92%. Okay, we're over 3,000, so we're going to troubleshoot. So, right engine idle, alternate air is on.
Press the rudder button.
Pressing.
You're not pressing. This is pressing.
Okay, okay. Alternate air off. On, sorry. And then fuel check. Fuel. Just here. Fuel quantity, fuel flow check. Fuel selector on. Motor switch A and B. And circuit breakers are all in. Airspeed. Airspeed, yep. It worked, so we're going for a full feather shutdown. Right leg dead, right engine. Careful with your RPMs. Right. If you're too close to 1300, it's gonna windmill. Yeah. So you want to put it? Oh, you want to let's speed up a little bit. Sure. Go ahead. Right, master, off. Alright, it's feathering. Now, zero sights established, rotor auto, alternator off, fuel pump off, fuel selector off. Put the timer. And the timer. Alright, make a right turn here. Yeah, 060. Alright, maintain the altitude, shut down the engine at 4100. 4100.
North practice area, 147, Hotel Alpha, 2 miles west of Lake Distant, going to do...
He doesn't like to use the trim. Still, I'm... Fine, do a steep turn to the left. Right. What? Do a steep turn to the left. Just 45. There you go. A steep turn, no? Fine, restart it. Alright, idle. Wait, verify the airspeed. What airspeed is supposed to be? Below 100. Right, below 100, master on. Alright, oil pressure is good. Give it a second. Slowly. Yep.
Traffic, 12 o'clock, low, less than 1 mile.